it a new gun? Is it a gun that I rode before?
I don't think you have before.
Okay.
So it's still new to you.
So is it old or new? Oh, hi Philippines! Assalamualaikum Bernay! You are watching Max Family TV. Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe down below. Thank you everyone!
So everyone, welcome back to our channel! Guys, andito kami ngayon sa Jordan Park kasi may lunch kami. And then after nito, mag-chill kami sa bahay ng aking friend, aking colleague actually. Na prinsesa. And then after nun, mag-badminton kami sa Empire. Ayan, mag-lunch muna kami together. So, see you later. Dito na kami. And guys, dyan kami kakain sa Fondok Sariwangi. So, we're going now. And yun yung mga kasama ko, guys. So, ayun. See you later. We're here now, baby girl. Let's go! So, see you later, guys. Pababa na kami ng car. Kaantay na nila kami.
A new gun? Is it a gun that I rode before?
I don't think you have before.
Okay.
So it's still new to you.
Is it old or new?
Ayun. So, really
Not so
good.
old, not so new.
You have the...
It's just normal? Yeah. Okay, what is it?
One eternity later.
Hello everyone! Ayun, tapos na kami mag-lunch and ngayon papunta na kami sa bahay ng dugong bughaw kong friend. Ayun. Yung katrabaho. So, ayun. Bihis lang sila and punta na kami sa Empire para mag-badminton. Sige. Eh, Hapaisi, as if you know where to go.
Go to the left. On duty.
Yeah, yeah,
You do?
yeah. According to the numbers. Hello guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Empire Gym. Ayan, mag-badminton kami guys. Kasama ito. Ayan. Oh my God, they really play ba?
One eternity.
Gusto kami guys. And pauwi na kami guys. Pagod na pagod kami eh. Pagod na peg. Oh my God. Maraming calories ang nawala. Ngayon ay iinom muna kami kasi kami uhaw na uhaw. Uhaw na uhaw kami guys. So, ayun. Tapos na kami mag-badminton. Milkshake, I don't think if happy. Yeah, one chocolate milkshake, one orange juice here. Here's the menu. Have I see? One drink, one. Ayan, or mga ano guys, and drinks. Later, not yet. Still making. Have I see? Ayan guys. Ito papuntang golf guys. Yan. Yan. Dito sa golf area. Iron golf. Iron golf. Ayan yung mga nag-golf guys. Ayan. Dito sa umpire. Ayan. Golf. Golf.
No, it's not a movie. It's One Two Three Go. Yeah,
One, two,
it's behind the scenes.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hiya! Can you take a picture? Yeah. I like the weather at here. Yeah. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah. And can you take us a And can you take us a picture?
Hello everyone! Ayun guys, pauwi na kami. Alis na kami dito sa bahay ng aking friend. Ayun, tapos pauwi na kami guys. And see you later. Did you enjoy? Have I said? You really enjoyed? You had fun? Okay, see you later guys. Drive muna ako.